guys, as you can notice, I got some glasses today. I just want to tell you guys, I hope you enjoy this video, and please subscribe to the video. So, yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so I have some coffee here, but I don't think that I'm going to, it looks like so, but I am going to be making some more videos, but in the meantime, I'm going to be making some awesome vines, so it's going to be fine. It will involve this, so yeah. Guys, apparently I don't have to go downstairs and make coffee because I can make it appear out of thin air. Nice.